temperatures this weekend with warmer and more humid conditions next week, which will then result in some increased rain and storm chances, and we'll talk a little bit about that. So this is a general overview of what the pattern is going to look like for this weekend. We do have another Canadian high coming down into the Great Lakes region, and that is going to give us a return of that cold, freezing temperatures. So we are expecting lows to dip down into the low 30s, upper 20s, and with highs in the 50s. But this is going to be short-lived, unlike what we've seen previously, because we'll quickly turn things around as the high pressure Monday to Tuesday moves on to the east and will reestablish southerly flow, and we'll have the warmer, moister air mass moving in by mid to late next week. So for the Christmas holiday, it is going to be warmer. And here's just a look at the temperature trends we're expecting. You can see that we're kind of warm today. We're going to be cooling off by definitely tomorrow night, Saturday into Sunday, and then quickly warming back up into the 60s and maybe even some 70s by later next week. So for rain chances, we're going to be dry through the weekend and through the first half of the week, but we will be seeing increased rain chances by Christmas Day and increased rain and storm chances later in the week. We are looking at the potential for some stronger to severe storms potentially. So there is a possibility, especially given the Christmas holiday and travel and stuff, that we may have additional briefings if we see that that's necessary. And so this is just kind of like what we're looking at towards the end of next week. This is kind of beyond the period, but we're just giving you a heads up just because it is showing up as a signal. It is the Christmas holiday. But generally warmer temperatures this time of year leads to more severe chances. And what you see here on the right is generally the area that we're concerned about later into next week, generally the 27th through the 30th. There could be also potentially some multiple rounds. We're just kind of sorting through things right now. But this would be the area of concern that we're looking at for next week. We will keep you updated on that. Be on the lookout for any graphics that we may end up issuing. And there could be additional briefings as confidence increases and stuff. Right now, there is a little bit of uncertainty. Some guidance is showing less pronounced or strong severe event, but there is that chance. So we just want to give you a heads up on that. And that is all I have.